In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger agents. To get started, open your Hostinger account and make sure you're signed in so you can access the tools available inside your dashboard. Once you're on the main account page, take a quick look around so you feel comfortable with the layout. This will make the next step much easier, especially if you're using the platform for the first time. From there, click on the Agents section. This is where Hostinger's AI-powered assistant tools are located. The Agents area is designed to help guide you through tasks, answer questions, and support you based on what you need to get done. If you're not exactly sure where to begin, that's completely fine, because this tool is meant to simplify the process. Once you're inside the Agents section, you'll see a space where you can describe what you need. This is the most important part of the process, so take a moment to be clear and specific. For example, instead of typing something vague, try explaining your goal in simple terms, such as what kind of help you want, what task you're working on, or what result you're trying to achieve. The more clearly you describe your request, the better the agent can guide you. After you enter your request, let the agent guide you. This means you can follow the suggestions, instructions, or responses it gives based on your prompt. In many cases, the agent will help break things down into manageable actions, which can save you time and help you avoid confusion. If the response doesn't fully match what you need, you can refine your description and try again with a little more detail. A helpful tip here is to treat the agent like a smart assistant. Give it enough context so it understands what you're trying to do, but keep your request simple and direct. That usually leads to better results and a smoother experience. And that's really all there is to it. Open your Hostinger account, go to the Agents section, describe what you need, and let the agent guide you through the process. It's a simple feature, but it can be very useful when you want quick support or direction inside the platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to use Hostinger agents clearly and confidently.